welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to be making a bow board. I'll show you just how to do it. It's great for gifts or for your little one at home. Come on, let's get started. If you're new here, I'm Rose, owner of Created For You shop on Etsy and this YouTube channel. If you like to DIY, design, decorate, any of those things, hit that subscribe button and hit the red bell so you can see notifications every time I post one of these fun videos. Some more makeovers are coming soon. I've got many videos in the works, including a bedroom renovation, and I think it looks pretty cool. Today we're going to make a bow board out of some fabric, ribbon, and a piece of canvas. So come along with me and you can make it too. I have here a purple fabric with pink ribbon, and then another customer ordered this cute pink polka dot with teal ribbon. So I'm going to start with the purple one. And so we're going to lay the fabric out. Okay, so I'll lay it out. Then I have my canvas, lay that there. And so I'm going to go around and staple each side and secure it there tautly. Okay, I went ahead and used my Craftsman staple gun. I used 1/4-inch staples, and I went along and stapled one side, and then I pulled the other side and hold with one hand and stapled with the other to make sure it's nice and taut on the other side. So now we are going to go ahead and do this side and then the other short side. Before we do that, we need to cut material and angle so that everything folds nice. We'll do the same over here. And then over here. And over here. Okay. And so now I should be able to flip it. And I'm going to fold this corner up and staple it. And then fold this corner and staple. And then I'll pull the whole thing and staple it across. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Okay, I have it all stapled. I stapled on top first, and then I stapled on the inside. I just find that that's easy enough. So it's all nice and taut. We're good. If you have like a little pieces of lint, you can get a lint roller and knock that off. Other than that, it's fine. Okay, so this particular customer wants hot pink, or pink as it's listed. And so we're going to open this and we're going to measure what it should be. And so I'll make my first measurement by putting it across, and then I want it to overlap just a little bit. And so I'll use this one as my template for what the other ones will look like. And my scissors has walked off. Where did it go? Okay, I have scissors. Okay, and for this 16 by 20 that I am making, I need 5 pieces of ribbon. And I'll show you the measurements here in just a moment. Okay, here's the measurements as promised. So you're going to line up your ribbon with a yardstick or a ruler that is at least 20 inches long. And you'll line them up at 3 inches, 6.5, 10, 13.5, and 17. And then you're going to go ahead and secure that with some staples and some hot glue. And here are some other projects I've been working on.
So you'll notice some projects are just hung on the wall with the regular sawtooth hanger. Some I've used ribbon, and the ribbon is just tied through the sawtooth hanger on the back, and that holds it securely, so you can use either option to hang it up. It's totally up to you. There's so many colors and they're so beautiful. You could even make a cross bow board. So this was such a fun project, and guess what? This gift could be made for under $10. That's unheard of in today's world.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I'd love for you to subscribe so you can see more videos just like this. Go ahead and hit that bell so that you can get notifications every time I post a new video. For now, bye-bye.